know it looks like I'm filming in the dark. I'm really not. It's just, we're in the middle of a heat wave and it's really hot. I didn't want to turn all the studio lights on. Studio lights, who am I kidding? My kitchen pot lights and the ring lights that I use to tape my videos. I didn't want to turn them all on for this, for the introduction. But when I did the Awesome Blossom, I made a bunch of skins from all the leftover paints, the paints that made the cut, the paints that didn't make the cut. In fact, I made yellow skins, which I'm going to show you right now. And if you missed that tutorial, I can put that up here in case you want to know how I actually make skins. I also made some pretty purple ones and some magenta ones. And I don't know why I'm talking like that. I made some purple ones and some magenta ones. I put them all together. They kind of looked very retro-ish. And I'm just gonna leave it at that. No spoiler alert. Let's create something with a bit of a retro vibe. Hoping you're liking that. And yeah, and at the end, I'll come back. I might talk to you in between, I don't know. I kind of like the music kind of thing. Hey, and let me know what you think about that as you're watching the video. You know, do you hate the music? Do you like the music? Do you want me to do a lot of voiceovers? I hate doing voiceovers, but I can, if that's what you prefer. I don't know. Or do you like the commentary at the end? Do you want me to shut up, not talk to you ever? Oh, hey, and somebody asked, what's the need for the swipe over? Like, why do I swipe over? Here's the reason that I swipe over. I don't know if you can see that, but see the little black outline? So when I did this one, it's like a pale purple, and then the purple in the middle. And so not only does it give me a nice outline to follow, as you can see, I like that look around the outside of the blossom. I blow out the outside of the petal and then I blow out the inside. I'm melting. I need to shut off this stuff and just start. Yeah. Okay, so my name is Remijn. Welcome to my channel. See down on the canvas. Let's make something retro. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Just going to have to wait and find out. And I'll come back at the end. And I'll do my little usual commentary and tell you, you know, what I made and why I made it. And I don't know what I'm going to tell you yet. Let's see what it all comes together. If this video will ever see the light of day. See you down there.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. Looking like a movie star. You try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can say you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. Trying to buy me drinks and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me?
And again. Yeah, she obviously doesn't like me very much. Ooh, she fell on my head. Sometimes, you know, when I had leftover paints from the Awesome Blossom, I just started to play with skins. And I made the yellow skins, the purple skins, and the magenta skins. And I'm like, you know what? As I looked at it, and I had already blown out the blue ones, I wasn't sure what I was actually going to do. And it kind of resembled the 1950s, 1960s, you know, the rubber swim caps with the flowers on it. So I thought, you know what? Art's supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to be stressful. So why not just embrace the retro bathing cap? So when I showed it to Lance, he said, oh, look, Tiffany, it's your ode to Esther Williams. So this is Esther. And then when I showed it to Donna, before I put any clothes on her, Donna from It's Art by Donna M, she's like, oh my God, I love it, I want her. So she's actually heading off to Hollywood, California. And the reason she has no dress or clothes or a bathing suit is because Donna liked her naked. I'm not even gonna ask why, I don't care. So she's going over to Donna. She does need to be varnished. Actually, at first I told Donna, you can varnish it, you know, I'll ship it to you and you can finish varnish it, because that's, you know, how I roll. Buy my artwork and finish it yourself. Dude, that's what happens when you buy art from me. Yeah, it's do it yourself. I sell you a half-finished piece of work and you can figure it out. Seriously, I don't know where I come up with this shit. Because I told her, I said, Donna, I don't know how to varnish the acrylic skins. I've never varnished a piece with skins on it before. Hey, if anybody's got any tips on how to varnish, please tell me in the comments below. And don't tell me to spray varnish it, because that's what Donna told me to do. This is my balcony, and we live on the water, and it's relatively windy. As you saw, the thing tried to land on my head earlier. So spray varnish is not going to work. I don't have a ventilated place inside the house, so it's going to have to be regular varnish. So if anybody's got any recommendations of how I could regular varnish it, you know, spreading the varnish on there, with dealing with the acrylic skins, I wouldn't mind the tips. Or I might have to create a tutorial and explain how I did it. Or I ruined it. I guess it could go either way. I'm not so sure. In which case, Donna, I guess I have to make you a whole new one if I ruin it. And then I will ship it to you. You can varnish the damn thing yourself. Although I do need to take a tutorial, I think, on flower arranging. Because if I'm going to continue to make little blossoms of skins here for additional pieces, I'm not quite sure of how to organize the flowers. I mean, I don't think I did too bad of a job. You saw how long it took me. Obviously, Donna likes it, oddly enough. As I've mentioned before, I'm a Colourarte affiliate. And if you like this color combination and you want to use it yourself, I will link all the colors in the description below along with my code, and you can use that to get 20% off all of the primary elements and the Prizm pour. If you're curious to know how I make the skins, there's a tutorial over here on how I make the skins. If you want to see more botanical heads for some more inspiration, you can check out the playlist over here where I've kind of grouped them all together for you and you can watch them. So, thanks for watching. Ciao for now. See you in the next video. And hopefully not on my balcony. I'm sweating to death. And all this noise in the background, because that's always pleasant, right?